Next, we head to Siren, Wisconsin for a sentencing. 44-year-old Benjamin Lamprecht is pleading guilty to driving while intoxicated. A year earlier, Lamprecht was pulled over for driving erratically and then arrested after blowing up .22 on a breathalyzer. Lab testing later confirmed his blood alcohol level to be .19, still more than 2 times the legal limit. Today, Lamprecht appears before Judge Melissa Mogan to enter his plea and be sentenced. The state is represented by James J. Renicky. Lamprecht's lawyer is Glenn Keene. The defendant, who was late for court, is not off to a good start with the judge.
Do you have any questions for your attorney or the court before we proceed? And there's all kinds of fun today. Okay.
Sorry about that.
All right. Any questions?
Just one. It's just
What's your question?
Just to know if this is fictional or fact.
I don't know what this is.
Your Honor, I think it's wait. You had a question about the grams per 100 milliliters.
So what's your question? You think that you were below the limit, above the limit, beyond the limit, how they came up with the limit?
According to this, I was not above the limit.
Okay, and that's like a AI chatbot thing, right?
Yeah.
An AI chatbot? Are we using artificial intelligence?
It's just that I was measured in thousands, and the law goes by hundreds.
You blew a .221, allegedly in the criminal complaint.
Yeah, and that's what I'm saying is that 221 is thousands, not hundreds. Anytime you put a numeral behind the decimal, like 1 numeral behind the decimal is a tenth. 2 numerals behind the decimal is 100. 3 numerals behind the decimal is 1,000.
Yep, I know math.
Okay, and 1,000 is 10 times less than 100.
But lab came back and said, guess what? We ran his blood, which is more accurate, and it was .19. It's .08 in Wisconsin to be legally intoxicated and operate. So you get it now?
But, no, if there's 3 numerals,
Yeah,
because if it was .3.
I'd love to have a jury trial because it sounds like he doesn't understand the science and he wants to have a lab analyst here. Is that right, Mr. Keene? Is that what I'm hearing? Is that what you want? You want to fight that issue of this extra 1,000 in the decimal point?
Judge Mogan seems to have heard enough and moves to wrap things up.
Are you pleading guilty with a full understanding of what you're doing here today?
Yes, I am.
Are you satisfied with your attorney's services?
I guess 5 out of 10.
5 out of 10? Because I'm going to tell you, your argument here is crap.
I'm just trying to conversate. I'm not trying to argue.
This isn't a conversate time, okay? This isn't a time to conversate.
Okay.
This is a plea and sentencing in which you showed up to court 18 minutes
I
late.
forgot my money. I apologize.
Don't interrupt me again. You interrupt me again and I will hold you in contempt. And I will ensure that you have more jail time than what's being sentenced here today. All right?
I like you and you're a fair judge. I'm not trying to piss you
Then
off at all.
stop talking.
Okay.
Judge Mogan sentenced the defendant to 45 days in jail, plus $1,921 in fines. Upon his release, Lamprecht must complete 75 days of community service, and his driver's license will be revoked for 24 months. Thanks for being a fan of CourtCam. Subscribe to A&E to never miss a new video and catch full episodes on aetv.com.